Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 12 of Hindi 1. Topics to be covered in this session are verb, that is kriya, adjectives, that is visheshan, adjectives, that is visheshan, verb, that is kriya. Let us start with verbs. We all know what verbs are. Verbs are the action words, doing words, which tells us about the state of being, which tells us about the action, the performance in the sentence. So, which tells us about whatever is being performed, about whatever is the action in the sentence. It is called verb. So, the definition for verb, the part of speech that describes an action or occurrence or indicates a state of being. So, it is a part of speech, we all know that, and it describes about the action in the sentence or occurrence or indicates a state of being. Anything is being occurred in the sentence or any state of being in the sentence. It is called verb. In Hindi, if we define it, paribhasha is what? Definition. ऐसे शब्द जिनसे किसी कार्य के करने का बोध होता है उसे क्रिया कहते हैं. ऐसे शब्द, that means those words, शब्द are words, those words जिनसे, which किसी कार्य के करने का बोध होता है. Any work or action occurs, or any word which tells us about the occurrence of any action or state of being of any action, that is known as verb. उसे क्रिया कहते हैं. That is known as verb. So those words which tells us about the action or occurrence or the state of being is called verb. So let us proceed further with few examples so that you can learn what actually verbs are. So, few examples here. Examples in Hindi we call them as udharan. Examples are called as udharan. First is play. So you can see in the picture the person is playing some games on his laptop or on his computer. So he's playing. So state of action here. Action is playing. So it is called a verb because some action is performed here, that is playing. Sleep. Again, some kind of state of being, whatever the person is doing right now. The person is sleeping. So he's sleeping. Play and sleep, both are verbs. Play is action and sleep is State of being, that time person is in what state? He is or she is sleeping. So these are few examples. Few more examples of verbs. Eat. Eat is again some action. We are eating something. So it's an action. Studying also is an action. We are performing some action. Some action is occurring at the moment. So eating, khana. And playing, khelna. Sleep, sona. Play is known as khelna. In Hindi we call it as khelna. Sleep is sona. The action of sleeping, the state of being of sleeping is called sona. Eat is khana. We are eating something, we are eating pizza, we are eating Maggi, anything, whatever we are eating, the action is known as khana. Study, padna. Study is padna. Something we are studying at the moment, that is known as padna. Jana. Jana is what? Going somewhere. I am going to the market. That means going is jana. Market, jana. Going. So, go, that means jana. Study, that means padna. Eat, that means khana. We study something, children study something, students study something. So that means they are studying. That means students पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ना. Market, जाना. Go, jana. Few more examples. Sit. Sit, we all know the action of sitting. Right now we all are sitting. Students sit in the class. The comfortable position, as you can see in the picture, that is called sitting. Sitting means sitting. So that means when we sit on some chair or anywhere we sit, that action is known as baithna. In Hindi, we call sitting as baithna. That action is known as baithna. Walking. There is a difference between walking and running. Walking means chalna. So we walk to the market, we walk when we are moving at a normal pace. That action is called walking. We walk in the morning. Walking is known as chalna. In Hindi we call it as chalna. Wake. You can see the person is waking up. He's getting up from his bed after a sleep. So that is called wake. Waking in Hindi we call it as uthna. Uthna. Waking, uthna. Speaking, bolna. When we speak something, we all know the action of speaking. Right now I am speaking here. So that means bolna. Getting up in the morning or any time waking up, it is called uthna. And speaking, when we talk about something, right now I am speaking. So this action in Hindi called bolna. This action in Hindi called bolna. Come, आना. Come means आना. So that means he is coming here. That means यहाँ आना. Come here, that means यहाँ आना. Ana is from that side to this side, coming. Bhagna means running. Difference between walking and running. Walking is moving at a normal pace, running at a fast pace. As you can see in the picture, running. Running in Hindi called bhagna. Running in Hindi called bhagna. Write. Write is when we write with pen on paper or somewhere. That is called writing. That is called writing. Writing means likhna. Run, bhagna, write, likhna. Few more examples. Laughing. After a joke, we all laugh. We feel happy. We laugh with our mouth wide open, with the teeth showing teeth. So that action is known as laughing. Laughing in Hindi called hasna. Laughing in Hindi is called hasna. This is the most important activity we must do so that we can have good times. It also gives you good health, keeps you fit, being laughing. Talk, that means baat karna. When we talk to somebody, speaking is when we are speaking to the whole group, or talk is between two people, conversation. That is called talk. Talk is baat karna. Talk is baat karna. So these were the few verbs that you have understood. There are many other verbs. It can be standing, it can be running, it can be jogging, it can be eating, it can be drinking, it can be bathing, it can be cooking. Many other verbs are there. All the action we perform comes under the category of verbs. Actions, occurrence of events, state of being. These are all things which come under category of verbs. The next concept we are going to learn in this session are adjectives. Next concept is of adjectives. Adjectives in Hindi call visheshan. Adjectives in Hindi call visheshan. So, visheshan are what? Adjectives are what? Yes, you are right. That tells the quality of a noun or a pronoun. That tells you about the quality of a noun or a pronoun. The part of speech, if we talk about definition of adjectives in English, the part of speech that modifies a noun or a pronoun, that is called definition. That is called as definition of adjective, the part of speech that modifies a noun or a pronoun. That tells you about its qualities, how much, how many, what kind of, what color, what type of, tells about the noun or pronoun. ऐसे शब्द, if we talk about its definition in Hindi called परिभाषा. परिभाषा, ऐसे शब्द जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बतलाते हैं उन्हें विशेषण कहते हैं. ऐसे शब्द, that means those words जो संज्ञा की विशेषता बतलाते हैं, which संज्ञा is noun, विशेषता quality बतलाते हैं, tells us, उन्हें विशेषण कहते हैं. They are called as adjectives. The words which tell us about the noun and its qualities, which tells us about the qualities of noun or modifies a noun or a pronoun, they are known as Visheshan. Visheshan are adjectives. So let us study how words tell us about the quality of a noun or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Big house. Let us talk about the examples. House is what? Noun. Ghar. House is what? Ghar. Big house, that is bada ghar. Ghar is house, bada ghar. So adjective here is, yes, big, bada. Adjective here is bada, that means big. Big house, bada ghar. That means house is a noun. It is telling about the quality of a noun, that what kind of house is it? It is a big house. Tall boy. What kind of a boy? Tall. Lamba ladka. What kind of a boy is he? He is a tall boy. Lamba, that means tall. Ladka, that means boy. So tall boy, that means lamba ladka. Kala saap, that means black snake. Snake, saap. Black, kala. Kala saap, that means black snake. Kala saap, that means black snake. Snake is, we all know, venomous animal, poisonous animal, reptile. So snake in Hindi called saap. What kind of a snake? Black snake. It is telling about the quality of a snake. That first one is telling about the type, its size. Second is also telling about the size of a boy, physique of a boy. Third one is telling about the color of the snake, that is black. So in all the three are telling about the noun's qualities. पहला राष्ट्रपति. Rashtrapati is president. So which president? First president. It is telling about president here is noun. Which president? First president. पहला राष्ट्रपति. 5 लीटर दूध. 5 liter milk. How much milk? 5 liter milk. 5 liter दूध. 5 liter milk. पहला राष्ट्रपति, फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. 5 लीटर दूध, 5 लीटर मिल्क. Fat man. What kind of a man? Telling about the size of the man. Fat man. मोटा आदमी. Fat man. मोटा आदमी. Small girl. छोटी लड़की. Which girl? Small girl. 2 meter cloth. 2 मीटर कपड़ा. 2 meter cloth. It is telling about the 2 meter cloth. So telling about the size of the cloth here. How much cloth? 2 meter. So again telling about the cloth here, girl here and man here. They're all telling about the quality or modifies a noun. Four books. Telling about the books. How many books? 4 books. Telling about the books here. Telling about its number. 4 books. Lal phool. Red flower. Which flower? It is telling about the color of the flower. So red flower. So these were the few examples which were telling about the noun. Books, snake, flower, girl, man. They're all telling about the noun. What kind of a noun it is. So these are the few concepts we have studied in this session. We have studied about verbs and adjectives. In Hindi we call verb as kriya and adjectives as visheshan. Red flower, lal phool. 4 books, 4 kitabe. 4 means 4, kitabe books. Red, that means lal. Phool, that means flower. So red flower, lal phool, 4 books, 4 kitabe. So these were the few examples about verbs and adjectives, that is kriya and visheshan. You must learn them again and again, revise them again and again to make things clear. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.